In the age of artificial intelligence, technology is reshaping industries at an unprecedented rate. One area that has seen significant advancements is music creation, thanks to tools like Suno AI. The Suno AI music generator allows users to create original, high-quality music through AI-driven processes. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a content creator with no formal music training, Suno AI offers a unique platform for generating music that fits a variety of needs. In this article, we'll walk through the key features of Suno AI, how to use it effectively, and ways to optimize your workflow for better music generation. What is Suno AI Music Generator? Suno AI is an advanced music generation platform that leverages artificial intelligence and deep neural networks to produce original music compositions. The platform is designed for users of all skill levels, making it accessible whether you're an experienced composer or someone just getting started in music production. Suno AI enables users to create music in various genres, moods, and styles with just a few clicks. You can generate anything from pop tracks to orchestral compositions, electronic beats, and ambient soundscapes, all tailored to your specific needs. Some of the standout features of Suno AI include ease of use, a simple, user-friendly interface that allows users to create music quickly without any specialized knowledge. Customizability, control over tempo, key, mood, and instrumentation to tailor the music to your liking. AI-powered creativity, AI-driven algorithms that generate endless variations of music, ensuring that each piece is unique. Royalty-free music, the ability to produce music that you own the rights to, meaning you can monetize it without legal complications. Now let's get into how to effectively use the Suno AI music generator. Step 1. Sign up and access the platform. The first step to using Suno AI is to create an account on their platform. Here's how to get started. Sign up. Visit the Suno AI website and create a free or premium account depending on the features you need. The free account typically allows you to create basic tracks, while the premium version gives you access to advanced features like higher quality audio, more genres, and additional customization options. Login. After signing up, log into the platform using your credentials. You'll be greeted with a dashboard that gives you access to the various tools and settings for generating music. Familiarize yourself with the interface. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with options for generating new music, tweaking existing compositions, and accessing saved projects. Step 2. Choose your music style and genre. Suno AI is capable of producing music in a wide range of genres, so the first thing you'll need to do is decide what type of music you want to create. From electronic to classical, rock to ambient, Suno AI has it all. Select a genre. On the dashboard, you will see a drop-down menu or buttons that allow you to choose the genre of music you'd like to generate. Popular genres include pop, electronic, orchestral, ambient, hip-hop, jazz, and rock. Pick a mood or theme. Once you've chosen a genre, you can also select a mood or theme for your composition. For example, if you want to create a piece for a cinematic project, you might choose something dramatic or epic. If you're creating background music for a relaxing video, you may opt for something more mellow or calming. Specify the tempo. After choosing the genre and mood, you can also adjust the tempo, measured in beats per minute or BPM, to set the pace of the music. Faster tempos are great for energetic tracks, while slower tempos work well for more relaxed compositions. Step 3. Customize your track. One of the great features of Suno AI is the ability to customize your music to fit your exact needs. Once you've selected the basic parameters, genre, mood, tempo, you can dive deeper into the customization options. Adjust instruments. You can choose which instruments you want to include in your composition. Suno AI allows you to create compositions using a variety of instruments, from synths and drums to orchestral instruments like strings, brass, and woodwinds. This feature allows you to tailor the sound of your composition, giving it a unique flavor. Modify the structure. Suno AI gives you control over the structure of your song. You can specify how many verses, choruses, and bridges the composition should have. This is particularly useful for those who are using the generated music for video projects or podcasts, where specific timing and structure are important. Experiment with layers. You can add different musical layers to your track, such as background harmonies, percussions, or additional instrumental layers. This can help you create more complex and dynamic compositions, giving your music a professional, full-bodied sound. Step 4. Generate and review your track. After you've set your preferences, it's time to let Suno AI do its magic. Simply click the Generate button, and within seconds, the AI will produce a unique track based on the parameters you've provided. Listen to the track. Once the track has been generated, take some time to listen to it. Evaluate whether it fits the mood, style, and structure you had in mind. Make adjustments. If you're not satisfied with certain aspects of the track, you can easily go back and adjust the settings. You can tweak the instrumentation, tempo, or structure as needed. Alternatively, if you want a completely different variation, you can hit the Regenerate button to create a new track with the same settings. Save your favorites. When you've found a track you like, you can save it to your project library. This allows you to revisit and edit the track later or export it for use in your projects. Step 5. Export and download your track. Once you're happy with your AI-generated composition, the next step is to export and download it. Suno AI allows you to export your music in different formats and qualities, depending on your needs. Choose File Format. Select the file format you want to download the track in. Common options include MP3 and WAV. MP3 files are smaller and easier to share, while WAV files offer higher quality and are ideal for professional projects. Select audio quality. If you're using a premium account, you can also choose the audio quality of the export. Higher quality files are preferable for professional use, such as in video production or album releases, while lower quality files work well for quick demos or background music in smaller projects. Download. Once your settings are configured, simply hit the download button. Your track will be saved to your device, and you're ready to use it in your projects. Step 6. Use your AI-generated music. With your AI-generated music downloaded, you can now use it in a variety of ways. Background music for videos. Use your AI-generated music as background tracks for YouTube videos, vlogs, tutorials, or live streams. Original music helps you avoid copyright issues and enhances your content. Podcast intros and outros. Enhance your podcast by adding unique music intros and outros generated by Suno AI. This adds a professional touch to your episodes and can make your podcast stand out. Commercial projects. If you create music for clients or commercial projects, AI-generated tracks can save you time and effort. You can offer custom music to clients or license your AI-generated tracks for use in advertisements, films, or games. Music releases. For musicians and composers, Suno AI can serve as an additional tool in your creative process. You can use AI-generated tracks as part of your albums, EPs, or singles, blending them with your own human-made compositions to create something truly unique. Step 7. Experiment with advanced features for premium users. If you've opted for a premium Suno AI account, you have access to additional features that can further enhance your music creation process. Here are a few advanced features worth exploring. Higher quality audio premium users can export their tracks in higher audio quality, which is essential for professional use in films, advertisements, and albums. Advanced instrumentation premium accounts often come with a wider selection of instruments and sounds, allowing you to create more complex and nuanced compositions. Exclusive genres and styles. Unlock additional genres and styles that are only available to premium users, expanding your creative possibilities. Final thoughts. Maximizing your creativity with Suno AI. Suno AI offers a groundbreaking way to create music quickly and efficiently, without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a musician, content creator, or entrepreneur, Suno AI's music generator provides a wealth of opportunities for creative exploration. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can harness the power of AI to produce high-quality music tailored to your needs. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Suno AI is experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different genres, moods, and customizations to see what works best for your projects. With AI-driven tools like Suno, the future of music creation is at your fingertips.